Over $20 billion pumps into Ethereum in 24 hours as Ethereum breaks past $1,500. Very interesting. So when I go look at CoinMarketCap and go to Ethereum at the recording of this video, Ethereum is at 1522. And let's talk more about this article right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the cryptocurrency market saw positive growth for the first time in weeks, with a market cap value increase of more than 60 billion in the last 24 hours. Now, Ethereum saw a 20 billion flow into the market capitalization in less than 24 hours from 164.42 billion on October 25th to 185 billion on October 26th, according to data. Now, this is the chart that you're seeing here. You see the 178 billion at the down trend there, and that thing went already up to currently 182.4 billion. Now, looking over here, furthermore, in light of the climb, decentralized finance DeFi token went from 1,347 above the crucial 1,500 price level to trade at 1,517, up 14% on the day, and further 16.65% across the previous week. Now you're seeing this all of a sudden, you're seeing the upward trend in terms of the chart, and even on CoinMarketCap, it's up 12.93%. Number 2 ranked on CoinMarketCap. Now, Ethereum community price prediction, let's see what happens. Now, they're saying that Ethereum community predicted Ethereum to trade at 1488 on November 30th, 2022, a 10% increase at the time. But now, because it's higher now, interestingly, less than asset current price. As price estimates continue to come in between now and the end of the month, it will be intriguing to see if a bullish average price emerges for the end of 2022. So it could be much higher by that time. It could decrease as well. So we just got to wait and see what happens. But right now, over 20 billion pumps into Ethereum in the last 24 hours. Let's see what happens in the next few months. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.